All right, everyone. So this is the 11th class session, and now we will start some previous year questions and some revision of trigonometry. All right. See, first of all, let me tell you, trigonometry is an important ingredient. This is not related to this chapter only. This is related to every chapter. So make sure you remember all the formulas. Make sure you remember everything about trigonometry because it will be used very frequently again and again. All right. So nobody will be able to help you if you do not remember your formulas. Got it? So remember all the formulas as much as you can and by heart. So before starting, I would like to ask a few of you about something. If you can reply. Is this JNV Ahmedabad? Can somebody please unmute yourself? JNV Ahmedabad? JNV Nellore? Can you please unmute yourself? JNV Kopal? Well, I think you guys might not be able to unmute yourself. So, let's start. I'll start with this question. This question is asked in ITJ. It's a very good question and require only the knowledge of class 10th trigonometry. In class 10th, we studied three identities, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So we will try to use this only and we'll try to reach to some conclusion. So the given is, see very carefully, given is sine to the power 4x upon 2 plus cos to the power 4x upon 3 is 1 by 5. Alright. So now you multiply this entire equation, multiply by secant to the power 4x. You just multiply this entire equation by sec to the power 4x. So what do you get? You get sine to the power 4x upon 2 times cos to the power 4x plus 1 by 3 is secant to the power 4x upon 5. Alright. Now it is 10 to the power 4x upon 2 plus 1 by 3 is, this is what I can write, 1 plus 10 square x using this identity. 1 plus 10 square x whole square upon 5. Now, just to avoid writing it again and again, let me assume that this 10x is t. Even 10 square x is t. So it will be t square upon 2 plus 1 by 3 is 1 plus t square, 1 plus t, 1 plus t whole square upon 5. All right. Now, this is t square upon 2 plus 1 by 3 is 1 plus 2t plus t square upon 5. Now take it to the right side. So 1 by 3 is t square plus 2t plus 1 upon 5 minus t square upon 2. You just take LCM here, 10. So it will be 2t square plus 4t plus 2 minus 5t square. So 10 will be equals to minus of 9t square plus 12t plus 6. So if you simplify it, you get 9t square minus 12t plus 4 equals to 0. This much calculation you can do. I did not do anything special. I just, what did I do? This was the question given to you. I just multiplied by sec to the power 4x. Got it? Multiplied by sec to the power 4x, or you can say divide by cos to the power 4x and made a quadratic in 10 square x. That's it. All right. So you got this equation. Now this equation does it not mean that is 3t minus 2 whole square is going to be 0. So if this perfect square is 0, implies this 3t minus 2 is 0, implies this t is 2 by 3. Now what did you assume as t? 10 square x is 2 upon 3. This is one of your answers. 10 square x is 2 by 3. So this is your answer. Now they are asking for another thing. Sine to the power 8x upon 8 plus cos to the power 8x upon 27 is what? Now see, you got 10 square x is 2 by 3. So secant square x is what? 1 plus 10 square x. That is 1 plus 2 by 3. So it will be 5 by 3. This is your secant square x. So from there I get cos square x as 3 by 5. So definitely sine square x will be 2 by 5. So that sine square plus cos square goes 1. All right. Now what they are asking you, sine to the power 8x upon 8 plus cos to the power 8x upon 27. So sine to the power 8x upon 8 plus cos to the power 8x upon 27. See, sine square x you have 2 by 5. So sine to the power 8x will be what? 16 upon 8 into 5 to the power 4. 625 plus cos to the power 8, 81 upon 27 into 625. So it will be 2 by 625 plus 3 by 625. That is 5 upon 625. That is 1 upon 125. This will be your correct answer. And it's such a good and fabulous question. And I tell you, this is the question using only identities which you guys have studied in your 10th class. I have not used any formula of sin c plus sin d or sin 2 theta or cos 2 theta as of now, which we are doing in 11th class. Totally based on your 10th class knowledge. Somebody is asking to explain again. See, again I try to explain. See, sin to the power 4x upon 2 plus cos to the power 4x upon 3 is 1 by 5. This is given to you. Now, what did you do? Multiply by sec to the power 4x. So it will become sin to the power 4 upon cos to the power 4. It will be 1 by 3. It will be sec to the power 4x upon 5. Now, this became 10 to the power 4x upon 2, 1 by 3. Now, this sec to the power 4 ko I can write sec square whole square. And sec square is 1 plus 10 square. So 1 plus 10 square whole square upon 5. Now, since I don't have to write everything again and again, I assume 10 square x is t. So it is t square upon 2 plus 1 by 3 is 1 plus t whole square upon 5. Now, simplify it, use the quadratic, factorize the quadratic, you get a perfect square and you get value of t as 2 by 3. This simplification you have to do. Now t 2 by 3 means 10 square x 2 by 3. So sec square x will be 5 by 3. Sec square x 5 by 3. So cos square x 3 by 5 and sin square x 2 by 5. Now replace these values here and you got your answer. I hope I have made my point now very clear. All right. Anybody else? Any doubt? Any particular step you want to ask? Very good. Now, see this question. P is the set of all those values of theta which satisfy sin theta minus cos theta is under root 2 cos theta. And Q is the set of all values of theta which satisfy sin theta plus cos theta is under root 2 sin theta. Am I clear? Now they are asking if P is having more number of elements than Q, if Q is having more number of elements than P, if P is a subset of Q, Q is a subset of P, or if P is equal to Q. This kind of inquiry they have. Now see, can you say the sin theta is under root 2 plus 1 cos theta? So from this I can write cos theta is 1 upon root 2 plus 1 sin theta. Now if I rationalize it, it will be root 2 minus 1. Denominator mein it is root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 sin theta. So cos theta is under root 2 minus 1 sin theta. So from this, what do I get? Cos theta is under root 2 sin theta minus sin theta. So that means sin theta plus cos theta is under root 2 sin theta. This is the result that we got. Okay, tell me, isn't it the same result as this result? Sin theta plus cos theta is under root 2 sin theta. So if this equation can be converted into this equation, that means they are having identical solutions. All values of theta which are satisfying this equation will also be satisfying this equation. That means P and Q, whatever they will be having same values of theta satisfying to them. So answer will be P equals to Q. Answer will be P equals to Q. Very simple, elegant, easy question. Got it? Now, I think I should move forward. These two questions done. Yes. See, this question will require a bit of your hard work also because so many formulas will be used here. First of all, I will write the most prominent formula that is being used here is 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta upon 2. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta upon 2. There will be some more. Okay. So 1 plus cos theta, the formula we are going to use here is 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta upon 2. All right. Now, see, the question is, it's a bit of a tough question, but a very good question and highly conceptual. F and theta. First of all, F and theta. See, I'm already speaking loud enough. If I'm getting fast, I'll try to be slow. All right. For a positive integer n, let Fn is given as this. First of all, I try to explain this question on a smaller scale. Smaller scale means, first of all, let us discuss about tan theta by 2 into 1 plus secant theta into 1 plus secant 2 theta into 1 plus secant 4 theta. First of all, we'll discuss up to this much and then we will take it to the nth term. All right. See, it is tan theta by 2 into. Convert this into sine and cos. So 1 plus 1 by cos theta. 1 plus 1 upon cos 2 theta. And 1 plus 1 upon cos 4 theta. I hope there is no problem up to this step. So it is tan theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta upon cos theta. LCM if I take 1 plus cos 2 theta upon cos 2 theta. And 1 plus cos 4 theta upon cos 4 theta. Got it? As of now, I did nothing. I just converted all the secant to the cosecant and took LCM. Now, tan theta by 2 into. See, 1 plus cos theta formula is 2 cos squared theta by 2. So 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos squared theta by 2 upon cos theta. Now 1 plus cos 2 theta will become 2 cos squared theta upon cos 2 theta. Now 1 plus cos 4 theta will be 2 cos squared 2 theta upon cos 4 theta. Even this tan theta by 2, I also write sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. Now see, few terms are getting cancelled. Cos theta by 2 is cancelled by half power of cos theta. Cos theta cancelled by this. Cos 2 theta cancelled by this. Got it? All right. Now it is. See, how many 2 are there? 1, 2, 3. So it is 2q sin theta by 2 into. Remaining terms are cos theta by 2, cos theta, cos 2 theta, and in the denominator we have cos 4 theta. All right. Now 2 square. This 2 cube ko I split 2 square into 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Into cos theta, cos 2 theta. Okay, wait a moment. I'll explain it again. And first of all, let me complete it. Upon cos 4 theta. Now tell me, what is this value? Sin theta by 2, 2 sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2. Now there's another formula that sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So it will be 2 square into, this will become sin theta. Cos theta, cos 2 theta upon cos 4 theta. Now this sin theta, cos theta into 2. This will again become 2 times sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta upon cos 4 theta. Now this 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta will become what? sine 4 theta upon cos 4 theta. Your answer will be tan 4 theta. All right. See, I'll explain it again. For positive integer n-let, this is the entire equation. So I'll just short this equation. We will not do it up to nth power. We will do it up to this step. Tan theta by 2, 1 plus sec theta, 1 plus sec 2 theta, 1 plus sec 4 theta. All right. Now, tan theta by 2 as it is, 1 plus sec theta will be 1 plus 1 upon cos theta. 1 plus sec theta will be 1 plus 1 upon cos theta. Then 1 plus sec 2 theta will be 1 plus 1 upon cos 2 theta. Then 1 plus sec 4 theta will be 1 plus 1 upon cos 4 theta. As of now, I did nothing. I have just replaced cos x by sec x as 1 by cos x. All right. Now, tan theta by 2, 1 plus 1 by cos theta, 1 plus 1 by cos 2 theta, 1 plus 1 by cos 4 theta. Now, in the individual step, take LCM. This will be 1 plus cos theta upon cos theta. This is 1 plus cos 2 theta upon cos 2 theta. This is 1 plus cos 4 theta upon cos 4 theta. All right. Now, this tan theta by 2 is sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. This 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 upon cos theta. Use the formula. Simple, this formula I have used. This formula. Got it? Now, 1 plus cos 2 theta will be 2 cos square theta. And 1 plus cos 4 theta will be 2 cos square 2 theta. Upon cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta. Now, 1 cos theta by 2 cancelled. 1 cos theta cancelled. 1 cos 2 theta cancelled. So what are we left with? 2 cube sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2, 1 cos theta by 2, 1 cos theta, 1 cos 2 theta. Upon me, we are left with cos 4 theta. All right. Now, 2 cube say 2 square, so I kept as it is. This 2 ko I left. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 into cos theta cos 2 theta upon cos 4 theta. Now again another formula, sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 will become sin theta. All right. Then it is cos theta, it is cos 2 theta upon me, it is cos 4 theta. Again, take 1, 2 with these two. So 2 times 2 sin theta cos theta will be again what? Sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. So 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta will be sin 4 theta. So it will be sin 4 theta upon cos 4 theta, which is tan 4 theta. I hope it is quite more clear to everybody than the little before. Got it? In the last two steps, take it like this. 2 sin theta cos theta into cos 2 theta upon cos 4 theta. Now this 2 sin theta cos theta is what? Sin 2 theta. So it became 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta upon cos 4 theta. Now this 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta is sin 4 theta upon cos 4 theta, which became tan 4 theta. All right. Is my voice not audible?
No, sir.
Voice is clear, sir. All right. Can someone else confirm if my voice is audible or not? Anybody else? JNV Sabrikanta, is my voice clear? Thank you so much. Now see, this is an easy question. Let us try this one. But before doing it, one thing now comes into the picture: trigonometric conversions. Can somebody please tell me cos pi minus theta is what? Is it cos theta? Is it minus cos theta? What it is? Cos pi minus theta. Anybody? It's sine theta, cos theta, minus sine theta, minus cos theta, or something else. Cos pi minus theta is minus of cos theta. See, this pi minus is going to be in the second quadrant. So second quadrant mein cosine is negative. So cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. This is a formula which is of trigonometric conversion. Now, this cos of 7 pi by 8, which is being used here, cos 7 pi by 8, it is cos pi minus pi by 8. So using this, I know cos pi minus pi by 8 will be minus of cos pi by 8. Am I clear? Similarly, this cos 5 pi by 8 is cos pi minus 3 pi by 8. That is minus of cos 3 pi upon 8. Got it? Now replace these two values in the original equation. You get 1 plus cos pi by 8, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8, 1 minus cos 3 pi by 8, 1 minus cos pi by 8. All right. Now, this 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is what? 1 minus cos square pi by 8. 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8, 1 minus cos 3 pi by 8 is 1 minus cos square 3 pi by 8. Now, another same identity, 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. So this will be sine square pi by 8 into sine square 3 pi by 8. Clear up to this point? Now, sine of 3 pi by 8. This can be written as sine 4 pi by 8 minus pi by 8, which is sine pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Which is cos pi by 8. Now another identity which I have used is sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. Got it? So the question became sine square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. This is sine pi by 8. Okay, I'll explain again. Wait a moment. Cos pi by 8 whole square. See, this is the first trigonometric conversion that I wish you know. If you don't know, now remember it. Cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. See, trigonometry is full of formulas, full of conversion. And remembering them does not have any alternative. Alright, you have to remember it. Now, this cos 7 pi by 8 is cos pi minus pi by 8, which is minus cos pi by 8. This cos 5 pi by 8 is cos pi minus 3 pi by 8, which is minus cos 3 pi by 8. Got it? Now I replace both of these values into their respective brackets. So I got 1 plus cos pi by 8, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8, 1 minus cos 3 pi by 8, 1 minus cos pi by 8. Now 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta is 1 minus cos square pi by 8. And using these two, I can write 1 minus cos square 3 pi by 8. Clear? Now 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta, so it will be sine square pi by 8. It will be sine square 3 pi by 8. Now again I tell you another conversion is sine 90 minus theta or sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. So the sine 3 pi by 8 can be written as sine 4 pi by 8 minus pi by 8, that is sine pi by 2 minus pi by 8, which is cos pi by 8. So it is sine square pi by 8 cos square pi by 8. So it is sine pi by 8 cos pi by 8 whole square. Got it? Now, so it will be sine pi by 8 cos pi by 8 whole square. So this will be what? This will be multiply and divide by 2. 2 sine pi by 8 cos pi by 8 whole square upon 4. Got it? This will be 2 sine theta cos theta will be sine 2 theta. So it is sine pi by 4 whole square upon 4. So it is 1 by 4 and sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So answer will be 1 by 2. So overall answer will be 1 by 8. Got it? So this was an easy treat. You guys may check once. Well, Got it? All right. Let's do a few questions on my own. There is a very popular question and very important question in NCERT also from the trigonometry. Prove that tan x, tan 2x, tan 3x is equals to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. If you guys are in class 11, you must have done this question. And this is directly from NCERT. How do we do it? Tan x, tan 2x, tan 3x is tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Anybody? See, for this question, I will be using a formula. Tan A plus B is equals to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. So tan of 3x, it can be written as tan x plus 2x. So it will be tan x plus tan 2x upon 1 minus tan x tan 2x. This is tan 3x. Now we cross multiply it. Tan 3x minus tan x tan 2x tan 3x is equals to tan x plus tan 2x. So tan 3x minus tan x minus tan 2x is equals to tan x tan 2x tan 3x. Got it? And this was a simple question. Yeah, definitely if x equal to 0, LHS is equal to RHS. But we don't have to prove it for only x equal to 0. It has to be proved for every value. It has to be proved for every value of x. Got it? Now, one simple question, again based on your 10th class trigonometry, prove that 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta is equals to cos theta upon 1 plus sine theta. This is just to brush up your class 10th concepts. 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta is equals to cos theta upon 1 plus sine theta. See, if I take LHS, 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta. Let us multiply numerator and denominator by cos theta. So what do you get? 1 minus sine theta into cos theta upon cos square theta. So it is 1 minus sine theta into cos theta upon cos square will be 1 minus sine square theta. So it is 1 minus sine theta into cos theta upon 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta. These two cancel. So what do you get? Cos theta upon 1 plus sine theta. This is what we have to prove. And this is a simple, easy question based on your class 10th trigonometry. There is nothing new related to class 11. All right. Now, let us see one more question. Say somebody asks you, find the value of cos theta if sec theta minus tan theta is given as n. Again, this question is based on totally class 11 trigonometry, class 10th trigonometry. Find the value of cos theta if sec theta minus tan theta is given as n. See the solution. Sec theta minus tan theta is m. I have an identity which says sec square theta minus tan square theta is m. So it became sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta is m. So if this sec theta minus tan theta is m, so this sec theta plus tan theta, sorry. This is 1. So sec theta plus tan theta will be 1 upon m. Got it? Now using this equation and this equation, can't you find the value of sec theta? So if I add both of them, so 2 sec theta is n plus 1 by m. So from this, it is m square plus 1 upon m. So this is sec theta. So cos theta will be 2m upon m square plus 1. Now, if you have cos theta, you can find sin theta, you can find anything. Tan theta, child, if we add both of them, see, sec theta minus tan theta is n, and sec theta plus tan theta is 1 by n. You add both of them. Got it? So sec theta is m plus 1 by m and half of that. See, there has been some mistake. I think initially, just listen to me. I think initially the curriculum that was given to me, it was mentioned we have to do trigonometry. But I think most of you have not done trigonometry as of now. You guys are not aware of any part of class 11th trigonometry. Got it? So that is why I think it has been a mistake from the curriculum side that I started trigonometry and you could not get anything. See, again I'll explain. Sec theta minus tan theta is given as m. So sec square theta minus tan square theta becomes 1 according to the identity. So if sec theta minus tan theta is m, then sec theta plus tan theta will be 1 by m. So using this equation, using this equation and this equation, using these two equations, we can find the value of sec theta simply by adding both of them. All right. So if I add both of them, I get sec theta is half of m plus 1 by m. So now 2 sec theta will be 2m m plus 1 by m. So cos theta will be 2m upon m square plus 1. Got it? One more question I'll take up. Find the value of sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta thrice minus 2 times sine to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta. Find the value of thrice of sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta minus 2 times sine to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta. Now see, I have an identity that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. If you square both sides, sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square is 1. So what do I get? Sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta plus 2 sine square theta cos square theta is 1. So from there, sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. All right. Now again come to this equation. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Now cube both sides. If I whole cube both sides, I'll get sine to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta plus 3 sine square theta cos square theta into sine square theta plus cos square theta as 1. Got it? So from there, sine to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta is 1 minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. All right. So now put these values into this equation. That is 3 times sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta minus 2 times sine to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta. So it is 3 times sine to the power 4 plus cos to the power 4 will be 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta minus 2 times 1 minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. So it is 3 minus 6 times Sine square theta cos square theta minus 2 plus 6 times sine square theta cos square theta. These two terms cancel. It is 3 minus 2, that is 1. And so many people answered correctly for this. Got it? All right. So students, again, but I would like to conclude this session, but I would like to tell you, do trigonometry very religiously. See, I know you guys have not done it as of now, but in future, whenever you do it very religiously. It is a highly important topic. All right. So do it very religiously. You cannot be like your 11th and 12th will not be so convenient